Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are doing well. Let's learn about next objective, that is about sets. In 19th century, George Cantor was the first mathematician who gave the proper idea of sets that we are using now in various branches of mathematics. We often speak some words in our daily life which represent a collection of things. For example, a team of players, a bunch of flowers, a cluster of trees, a group of friends, and so on. But in mathematics, we can use a single word to denote all types of words, set, that show the collection of things such as a set of players, a set of flowers, a set of trees, a set of friends, and a set of birds, etc. Thus, we can define a set as a collection of distinct and well-defined objects is called a set. The objects of a set are called its members or elements. Well-defined means a specific property of an object that enables it to be an element of a set or not. To make it clear, consider the following example of collections: the collection of good stories, the collection of tasty foods, the collection of favorite poems. In these examples, we can examine that the word good, tasty, and favorite are not well defined because a food may be favorite of one person but may not be for another. Similarly, a story may be good in views of one person but may not be for another. So these are not suitable example of such, as these are not well defined. Distinct means the same objects should not appear more than once. For example, the set of letters of the word small is SMALL. In this example, we can see that the letter L has been written only once. If it is written twice, then it is not a set. That's all for the day. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.